Hello there. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a modern afrobeat for Burna Boy in FL Studio. If you're new, you know what to do, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So we're going to start with chord progression. We're going to use some chords from the SC2's Chat Buster MIDI chord pack, which you can get. The link in the description below contains 45 afrobeats crazy chords. All right, so you can get the link in the description below. So let's try some and see how it sounds. Let's try this one. I like that one. Let's record that in. Let's render and replace that. Let's replace that as well. Render and replace. Now I chose leave remainder because I want to have the ambience all the way through. All right, because sometimes when you leave it at course remainder, it may just stop as soon as the notes stop and not allow the ambience or the reverb play through. So I want the ambience to come in as well. So that's why I changed it from that is the tail from chords to leave remainder. You're trying to get in more ambient melodies in here. Let's record that in. Render and replace. Reduce the pitch by an octave. Let's add some drums from drum loop. Let's play our counter chords. Let's run down, replace that. Let's bring in this guitar muted loop, all right? And then see how it sounds. Transpose it. Transpose as well. Then pitch correct. Let's see how it sounds. So I think there's a little bit of collision going on between both guitar loops, all right? So I may need to chop one of them, right? I think I need to chop one of them so that they can be spaced. Because remember, while producing, you want to always make sure that your beat has space, all right? Let's chop this one. Yeah, chop that up. I like that guitar loop, but of course, we still chop this up. Remember, space. Chop that again. I'm having second thoughts about the drum pattern for this beat, so I'm going to try a different drum loop and see if that makes any sense. I think I like this. I think I like this pattern. Let's record that in. Run down replace. And of course, we're going to add some vocal chops. That's an idea. Going to chop there because I want a repeated start before the hook. Yeah. Spread it across. All right. So now let's see how the beat sounds so far. Right, so that's pretty much how the beat sounded. And of course, it just repeats again, another verse, another hook, then an outro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave me with a thumbs up so that people that need helpful videos like this can easily find it right here on YouTube. I remain Sir Classy. This is SC Tuts. See you soon. Cheers.